Starting at number 5, we have the Havit Wired Gaming Keyboard. A great combination of gaming keyboard and mouse from Havit is here to take your gaming to the next level. The keyboard is fantastic and super performing to keep you motivated whether you are a pro or a newbie gamer. To inspire your gaming spirit, it comes with a super membrane illumination and large numbers printed keys to ensure non-stop gaming even at night. Further, large numbers are ideal for people with reading problems. The enhanced simultaneous operation is possible due to 19 anti-ghosting keys which work without causing conflict. Further, the 5 multimedia keys, Win keys, and WASD keys allow gaming through disabling for efficient lighting of switching off of the keyboard backlight. You only need to press FN and ESC. A combination of breathing 7 colors and 7 solid colors lights on and off whenever need be. On the other hand, 4 colors breathing mouse give your gaming experience a fine boost. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Razer Ornita Chroma Revolutionary Gaming Keyboard. Do you ever wish to enjoy ultimate comfort and great functionality while gaming? Razer Ornita Gaming Keyboard boasts a revolutionary design that will inevitably transform your experience. To start with, it combines the cushioned touch of a membrane rubber dome which provides a tactile click of a switch. The custom designed keycap has a shorter size with the core idea being to reduce the time taken for actions to register. The backlit keys are easy to program and boasts a dynamic lighting effect that you can easily set through Razer Synapse. With these interactive in-game effects, this device puts you in a position where you can have more satisfying gameplay. For comfort purpose, this keyboard features an ergonomic wrist rest. At number 3, we have the Redragon Kumara K552. Redragon Gaming Keyboard gives you the best gaming performance. It features a custom mechanical switch that increases your gaming experience by making it pretty easy and enjoyable. This device provides crystal clear backlighting due to the red adjustable LED lighting and double shot injection and molded keycaps. The design is sturdy due to the use of ABS material also. There is a USB connector which features gold plating to help you achieve hardcore gaming. For fast response, the custom keys boast medium resistance, audible click sound, and tactile feedback. The inclusion of 87 standard conflict-free keys, 12 multimedia keys enhance flawless operation to take your game to the next level. At number 2, we have the Pictek Anti-Ghosting 104. Are you looking for a gaming keyboard that's fun and easy to use? Well, Pictek Anti-Ghosting 104 keys are the keyboard of your choice. With a total of 104 keys and rollover design, this keyboard allows you to work on multiple keys concomitantly. For dust protection, the keyboard has 5 drain holes to keep it free of water and dust. The switches feature blue color and have fully removable caps for efficient cleaning. Besides, the keyboard is highly durable thanks to the ABS construction material that lasts a lifetime. And the ergonomic design of this keyboard will give you satisfaction. It has a palm and wrist rest that prevents fatigue. Regarding compatibility, this is an excellent device that's compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7, Mac OS, Windows Vista, XP among other operating systems. And finally at number 1, we have the Cooler Master Devastator II LED Gaming Keyboard. If you are looking for a high quality and inexpensive keyboard to brighten your gaming, here is the perfect arsenal. The Cooler Master Devastator II is a perfect pick for heavy gamers. Unlike the cheap membrane keyboards, this one feels mechanical with its exclusive switches which leave a tactile and satisfying feel. At night, no interruptions as there is no need to light your bulbs. It has a breathtaking backlight which gives proper and crisp illumination. Even under heavy usage, keys never fade like in cheap keyboards due to laser etching keys. Besides, each cap is customized with own keycap and is Cherry MX compatible. The nomically designed keyboard is dedicated to ensuring that your gaming is professional though precision optical sensor which allows fast cursor movement. Above all, our dedicated multimedia